Let's begin exercise 2.3. The first question is test the divisibility of the following numbers by 2. You have 6 questions and in this video we will be doing first 3. The first number is 6895. You have to write in complete sentence what is the reason. Just not to write yes and no. You have to mention the complete sentence just like this. As the digit in the units place is 5. You can also write as the digit in the units place is odd. That is also fine. Okay. Or you can write as the digit in the units place is not an even number. Means you have to specify the reason. Not an even number, or you can write it's odd number, or you can mention the number which is there. So as the digit in the units place is 5, it is not divisible by 2. The second question is 4681. As the digit in the units place is 1, it is not divisible by 2. The third question is 30,032. So as the last digit is even, you can see here the last digit is 2. You can even write it as the last digit is 2. That is also fine. Okay. So as the last digit is even, it is divisible by 2. So in this way you have to write complete sentence mentioning the reason whether it is divisible or whether it is not divisible. Let's go to the question number 2. Question number 2 is test the divisibility of the following numbers by 5. The numbers are 75,810. You have to write in complete sentence like this. As the digit in the units place is 0. Correct? It is divisible by 5. You know now what is the test of divisibility of 5. The digit in the units place should be 0 or 5. Now here it's 0. Hence it is divisible by 5. In question number 2, 63,927. What is the last digit? 7. It's not 0 or 5, right? So you have to write complete sentence. As the digit in the units place is 7, it is not divisible by 5. Okay. Question number 3, 55,006. As the last digit is 6, or you can write as the digit in the units place is 6. It is not divisible by 5. Fine. So complete sentence is required. Now let's move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is test the divisibility of the following numbers by 10 or not. The number is question number 1, 64,918. Now what is the test of divisibility by 10? The last number should be 0. Correct? Now here the last number is 8. So will it be divisible? No. So you have to write in complete sentence. As the digit in the units place is 8, it is not divisible by 10. You can also write it as the digit in the units place is not 0, it is not divisible by 10. Either of the sentence. Okay. 36,810. What is the last number here? 0. So as the digit in the units place is 0, it is divisible by 10. Third question, 45,040. What is the last number here? 0. So will it be divisible? Yes. So as the last digit is 0, it is divisible by 10. Okay, you have to mention it in this way. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. Test the divisibility of the following numbers by 4. The first is 6,464. Now what is the test of divisibility of 4? We have to check out the last 2 digits if they are divisible by 4. So now here the last 2 digits are 64. So we have to check whether 64 is divisible by 4 or not. So after, now 64 is there, 16 4s is 64. So you have to write as the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, 6464 is also divisible by 4. Okay. Next is 91,912. Now the last two digits are here 12. 12 is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 3s are 12. So as the last two digits are divisible by 4, 91,912 is also divisible by 4. Third question is 73,730. Now 30, is it divisible by 4? Does 30 come in the table of 4? No. So as the last two digits are not divisible by 4, 73,730 is also not divisible by 4. So you have to write it like this in the complete sentence. Okay. Let's move on to question number 5. Question number 5. Test the divisibility of the following numbers by 8. Now what is the test of divisibility by 8? You have to check the last 3 numbers if it is divisible by 8. The first question is 71,712. So you have to check whether 712 is divisible by 8 or not. So on dividing 712, you can just divide it somewhere and see. So here I got the remainder 00 after I divided. So as the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, that is 712. Okay. So I can say 71,712 is also divisible by 8. The next number is 38,609. As the last 3 digits, that is 609, is not divisible by 8. See, because the last digit here is odd, and odd numbers cannot be found in even tables. So here actually no need of even dividing and seeing. You can just look at the last number. It is odd. So this will not be found in 8. The table of 8 has all even numbers. So as the last 3 digit numbers are not, the last 3 digits are not divisible by 8, 38,609 is not divisible by 8. The next number is 45,320. As the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, 320, it will go by 40. It will be divisible by 40. 8 40s is 320. So I can say 45,320 is also divisible by 8. Okay, so here we have covered question number 1 to 5. That is, we have covered by 2, by 5, by 10, by 4 and by 8. Question number 6, 7 and 8 are for your practice. Because you have to write your own 10 numbers divisible by 2, 5 and 10. Then 5 numbers divisible by 4 and 8. Then the 3 numbers which are divisible by 2, 4, 5, 8 and 10. So you can write any of the 3 numbers of your choice. Okay, so question number 6, 7 and 8 are for your homework. So here we finish with exercise 2.3.